Is your CapCut project file showing as corrupted on your iPhone? This usually happens due to unexpected app crashes, storage issues, moving files to another folder before saves. In this video, I'll show you how to fix corrupted CapCut project files. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Make sure you haven't moved files to another folder before saving the projects. Make sure you haven't deleted files before completing the project. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Force quit recent apps. Swipe up from the bottom on your iPhone home screen. Now find the CapCut recent uses task. Then swipe CapCut away to close it completely. Now restart your iPhone and reopen the app and try exporting again. Solution 2. Duplicate the project. Open up the CapCut app, then tap on the Projects tab below. After that, tap on the three dots icon next to the project, then tap Duplicate. Now try opening the duplicate app. This can help bypass a bug inside the original file. Solution 3. Clear app cache. Open up the CapCut app, then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Clear Cache below. Then tap Confirm, and it's been cleared. Solution 4. Check app update. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type the app's name. Now find the app and tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. And now check whether it works or not. Hope your issue is fixed by now. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.